worry about it.
So Ron, you're still alive, mate?
Only just.
So Bill, you're sitting in the sun. Sitting in the sun while people up north are freezing.
Sitting in the sun, enjoying the sun.
First time we went over there.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas all. That's what happens if you lose your go-kart at Christmas time. So out looking for it. Don't know where it went. Be out there somewhere.
Ding, 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 ding.
Friends overseas will be jealous of this weather.
Nice edge for the win. Bill had a faulty servo. We've fixed it up now. So she's all go with the Spitfire. And the crowd goes wild. So Ron, your fridge is broken.
No, it's not broken, it's just not working.
This is Marcus. Where are you from, Marcus?
You're back at Edinburgh.
Edinburgh. Well, are you on a walkabout? What?
Yeah, I'm on a walkabout.
You do a lot of walking, don't you?
Yeah.
Look, special guest. Chief Masticator. It's iForce 2D. It's Chris. What are you doing here, mate? Hands up if you can guess who this is probably going to be. Rough as guts, Bill.
Up you go. You got to go up? Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's a bit rough, Bill. Oh, what do you call that, man?
Oh,
Mark's out
that's
of 10?
a pretty solid 8.5.
8.5.
Out of 20. What'd you say? 10.
Yeah,
10. Oh.
What do you have to say to all your fans now?
We all have a bad day.
Overregulation is like a tumor. It's killing our hobby. It must be terminated. Now!